I am Dr. Shiven, and in this video we will discuss different types and genres of video games. Actually, a video game may be categorized based on their characteristics, their objectives, playing mode, character mode, appearance of player, appearance of character, what is their significance of in real life. So there are various factor on which the types and genre may be categorized. Here I have mentioned few of them, but it is not the final categorization. There may be various other categorization based on the characteristics of the game. The first genre is a sports game. Here a game emulate as a player which actually play the sport. So sport may be any football game, it may be cricket game, it may be hockey game. Here a player act as a character which is playing in a game. So there are various example of the sport game like FIFA, NFL, NBA. So here we can see that player act as a character, leading character, and it may be a multiplayer game also and single player game also. In single player game all other player will be controlled by the computer. In multiplayer game all character act as different players. The second genre is racing games. So in this game or in this category, the objective of the player is to win the opponent by overtaking them using any automobile like car or motorbike. So in this type of genre, we may encounter various type of collision detection techniques. So here, in this category, there are various games are available. That is Need for Speed, NASCAR, Grid. So here we can see that this car is controlled by a player, and it also may be multiplayer game. In case of multiplayer game, other vehicles which are opponent of this car will be controlled by the other players, or in single player game they will be controlled by computer. The next genre is action game. Actually it's the most popular type of video games, and it includes various other activities of the game like running the character, shooting, attacking, hand and eye coordination. So there are other subgenres of the action game. The very famous subgenre is a shooting game. This shooting game further may be categorized in other subgenres. The first one is first person shooter, that is called FPS, and second one is a third person shooter, that is called TPS. So what is FPS? In FPS, it looks like that player is watching through the eyes of the character. Means a player will see only the hand of the character, and it will feel like that player is immersed in the environment. So there are various examples like Battlefield, Counter Strike, Crisis. Here we can see that this gun is only visible, and it looks like that this gun is in hand of the player. Now the next one is third person shooter. In third person shooter, player can see the character as well as the game scene. In the FPS, player was only able to see the hand of the character, but in case of TPS, player can see the complete body of the character as well as game scene with respect to the character's movements and eye. Okay, so there are various examples like Max Payne, Hitman Absolution. So here we can see that this is a character which is controlled by a player, and we are able to see the player completely, all as well as game scene. Now the next genre is RPG, that is role playing game. Actually this RPG may be a superset of all genres. every type of genre may be categorized in RPG, because here a player play a role in a game. So in FPS, in TPS, we can also assume that player is playing a role in a game. So RPG is a superset. So in which we can see here that the player operates a character which is entirely immersed in the fictional world. Like various games like Mass Effect, Final Fantasy are available. Here we can see that it's just like a story type of game, and where a character play a role in this virtual environment. The next one is massive multiplayer online role playing game. It is also called MMORPG. So this is a online role play game where two or more than two players can play same game simultaneously using LAN or internet. Okay, like Lord of the Rings, Champions Online. So here we can see that multiplayers are there, and they play a game simultaneously using their own computer. Now the next one is fighting game. Actually, it is little bit different from the action game. In case of fighting game, there will be a close combat between two players in a battle arena. So this was very famous game when arcade game was in trend. So this was very famous game at that time. So here Street Fighter and Tekken are the good example of fighting game. Here we can see that these two characters are fighting to each other. So these two characters may be controlled by two different players, or one character may be controlled by a single player and another one is controlled by computer. The next one is platform game. Actually, in this category, player guides a character to run, jump between the suspended platforms over obstacles and reaches the destination to complete a level. So now, uh, the very famous example of platform game is Super Mario, and next one is Temple Run. There are various other games are available, but these are two very famous games. Here we can see that player is guiding this character, and this character is jumping on suspended path. Okay, there are various other genres. I have not uh, mentioned here the examples, but we can name them like uh, strategy type of games. Okay, puzzle games, adventure games, multiplayer online battle arena, that is also called MOBA. Okay, simulation based game. So this is not the final categorization of the genre of the games. We may further categorize in different way. So by this video I have tried to make some differentiation between all available games in the market. Now I hope that you all have understood the different types and genres of video game which are available, and if you have any doubt you can comment me. Thank you.